If you've ever wondered if you can update this text down here, you actually can. I find it very useful to update the text. So let me show you how I did that. I did it with ChatGPT. I told it that I needed JavaScript to change my tag here along with this. So what I did is I right-clicked it, I did inspect, and then within here, you can see it says my container. I basically copied my container and it grabbed the fields from there, and I told it what I wanted to update. But the end result of that is this code here. So you can see it starts the function, it changes the old text from get more info to request a 15-minute discovery call, and then it changed the placeholder to spill the beans instead of description, and then it goes through and it looks for each item and then updates them. It's pretty simple. I challenge you to give ChatGPT a try. Also, I will put this text into a text file and put it in the comments so that you can just take it and run with it. Hope you enjoy that.